Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are installing the propane tank for the greenhouse. So my propane guy is here, so he's gonna install the tank and then we'll be all squared it up for the greenhouse. Alright, let's see. It's my propane guy. He's from Mount Perry Propane, and he's gonna install this tank right over here. So he said that needs to be somewhere around like 10 feet away from the structure. Alright, here he goes. Alright. It's lifting higher and higher. Guys, so gotta do the leak test since everything is connected, and then my propane line is running from there to all the way over here and going that way. There's an L going down that way, and this one actually comes over here that connects to the line over here. So that's an sediment trap right there, and it's connected to the heater. So everything looks good. So once everything is tested out, like no leaks, nothing, and we'll fire it up and see if the heater will run. Okay.